everyone, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Previous section you are watching how to configure GPIO pins, GPIO configuration in output direction. Now you can learn about how to configure GPIO pins in input direction. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos. By the end of this video, you will learn how to configure in input direction. Before we start, please configure to input direction. So this minus here is mentioning UU. This is that is PPT's mistakes. So you can configure to TRIS and input. Okay, TRIS means input direction or output direction. Now I want to remove these icons. Okay, this is you can forget. So you can write it in input direction or output direction. You can set it 1 mean input direction. You can set it output mean 0 mean it is output direction. Okay, now I want set 8 pin input direction. So I want write it for 1 registers LSP to MSP 0 to 7 bits. I can split it for 4 bit. Okay, wait 1 minute. I will little bit scrolling. So now 4 bit you can split it. That value is 8 pins. I want input mean it is every value is mentioned to 1. And then here also every value is 1. But previous videos you can see that values, port values, everything is mentioned on port side. Okay, 0xB4, then 0xFF also. Okay, 8 bit output mean it is mentioned on 0xFF, then 4 LED on, 4 LED off. That time 0xB4. Now you can configure to TRIS. TRIS mean input direction. So you can put it in 1 mean it is input direction. So I want to use for 8 pins is input. So LSP bit also 5 pins is input, 4 pins is input, 4 pin is output, 4 pin is also input. Okay, here this maximum value is coming 15. 15 equivalent value is F. Is understanding for hexadecimal value, binary values only is understanding, not for high level language. So here I mentioned for 0xFF. So this value is also 15. So first you can write it in MSP bit. Okay. So first I write it in MSP bit F, then LSP bit also F. So here MSP and LSP both also, it is all bits is high mean you are not understanding this concept. I will explain for next slide. Okay. Anyone, if you are any doubts, you can write it in comment box. I will reply shortly. Okay. Here 3 pin input, all other pins also output direction. Okay. Here I want select for 3 pins input mean 1, 5 and 7. Okay, 1, 5, 7. I can split it for first 4 bits. Then 1, 5, 7 mean first bit is 1, then 5th bit is 1, then 7th bit also 1. So here other bits also 0. 0 mean that value is also 0. Here mentioning for 2. Okay, here 2 plus 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So this equivalent value is A. Here it is coming for only 2. So you can write it on this port 0xA2. So first you can write it on MSP bit, not for LSP bit. Okay. Next you can configure for odd LED is input, even LED is output. Okay. Odd LED is input, even LED is output. Okay. Here how to configure? Anyone answer me? So TRIS is input mean equal to 1. Okay, you can set it input direction mean you can TRIS is mentioned for 1. Output mean you can keep it in 0. So odd pin is 1, 3, 5, 7 input. Even pin is 0, 2, 4, 6. It is output. So 1, 3, 5, 7 mean 1, 3. These 2 bits. Okay, this bit. Then here also 1. Then 5, 7. This bit also 7. So this value is 8 plus 2, 10 A. Okay. Here also 8 plus 2, 10. So here value is mentioned for AA. So anyway you are not understanding this video, this slide. So you can write it for previous slide, you can understanding B2. Okay, here I mentioned for A2. So this is for first writing for MSP bit, second writing for LSP bit. This is odd and even LED. Okay, here even is input, odd is output. Okay, here is not mentioning for odd is pin is input, even pin is output. This is for previous concept. So slide even pin is input, odd pin is output. Okay, here odd pin is 1, 3, 5, 7. This is for output. Okay, this is I want did not change the PPT slide. Next videos I will change it. Okay. Odd pin is input, odd pin is output, even pin is input. So 0 to 4, 6 also input. So 0th pin is input. Here 0th bit is 1, second bit also 1, 4th bit also 1, then 6th bit also 1. So even pin also input. This value is 4 plus 1, 5. Here also 4 plus 1, 5. So MSP bit also 5, then LSP bit also 5. So this stress value is 0x55. I hope you now clearly understand the concepts of how to configure input direction. Okay, if this explanation helped you understand the concept, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Any questions or doubts, leave them in the comment section. I hope you now clearly understand the concept of PIC16F877A GPIO input configuration. If this explanation helped you understand the concept, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you are never miss our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or leave them in comment section. Need help with final year projects, mini projects or IEEE projects, contact and WhatsApp. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. See you in the next class. Thank you.